This is some raw video, a drone video from an International Rafting Federation trip leader assessment. And we do these courses where the first 3 days are guided assessments. We check their abilities to guide boats and throw bags and do some instruction. And then the fourth and fifth day, we do trip leader assessments. And we set up these scenarios where a trip leader has to handle some sort of problem. And first of all, my drone was glitchy this day, so I'm really sorry for all the weird angles and doing the best I can that was having problems. But the trip leader's in this orange boat, and there's a safety kayaker, and they come upon one of the members of their party where the guide is out of the boat. So it's one boat stuck in the rocks in the bottom of the rapid, and the guide, all that they're going to find out here is the guide has swum downstream. And this is where the trip leader candidate has to make a quick assessment, use the tools he has in his arsenal. There's another boat behind him, there's a safety kayaker, to solve the problem here. And so I'm sharing this because I think it's cool footage, and it's good to sort of have some debates about rescue. And this is rescue. This is a classic rescue. Rescue isn't always a foot entrapment or a 3-to-1. It's somebody stuck in the river, and this is a challenging one, and it requires decision making. And there's several ways to handle this. There's several ways this can be done. And in this case, the trip leader makes a quick assessment, makes sure they're okay, leaves a safety kayak in the raft behind, and then goes downstream to handle or find the guide that fell out. And I'm posting this because Aaron and I did a live show the other day. We do a live show on Fridays at 2 p.m. where we looked at a different assessment, and there's just debates. And you can see I'm on the shore on the left just by the raft right now. So I'm out of play. I'm not in the assessment. I'm flying the drone. But we talked about one of these that I'd set up, and I think that the debates that come up and just the ideas that come up from doing these is amazing. Being here in person and doing these is just great practice and great for practicing rescue skills and judgment and what to do. But also create some great talking about afterwards, which I hope would use this video in a Friday show for Aaron and I to kind of break this down. So that's why I'm uploading this, but I want to share some just background information as we did it. So what happened there was the guide went around the corner, and then he found the guide. This is the trip leader. He found the guide, tied his boat up, left his boat with the guide he found, and then scrambled up alongside the river, which was tough, and now has to get out to the boat that's stuck. And this is where swimming skills is important. Part of rescue is swimming skills. Being able to swim with a paddle. You need to be able to do stuff like this to perform proper rescues. And I think this footage hopefully demonstrates that, swimming has to be something in practice too. If you've never swum, knowing you can swim in that eddy and get down here, it would be something kind of scary. Anyway, we can talk about this more in a live video. But once he got it off, then he takes over and guides the other crew. And so this is the footage of that. And so I think we'll probably review this online in our live show, probably early May. Again, that's every Fridays at 2 p.m. And yeah, look forward to seeing you all there. Hopefully Aaron and I can have some fun debates and get some commentary from those of you watching.